my beautiful people. A lot of una now just ask us my share on a recipe. Have for cook Eru. Where I don't decide for say I just do a fast video showing how they cook Eru. Again, I say as I see when I comment so when I talk about Eru, when I just trigger me when I make me I start hungry Eru. I want open my status for Facebook. So my other friend also, so my friend a boy do my country show Eru. I say where? Why not they tempt me so you know? I don't say Eru na my favorite me. Then Ghana pikin say abeg o make that Eru again make we chop. Maybe I enter kitchen, quick. Say I cook some Eru so that we go chop. Then I go make that recipe share am for una make una see am. So to that we talk for pidgin o, abeg o. So for here no, me I dey na America o, but mama and my brothers them. So why Eru go get am for here na dry Eru. So some of una about for say why that Eru black so una know say why Eru dey na dry Eru and we get away with the cook with dry Eru. Well don't move and so it don't bring us for Cameroon. If you know what I mean the Eru over dry, we put am for our freezers them. For freezer, so now for freezer where come out, then so that I go see maintain that state. Even though not dry, you go maintain that till we not over dry, then not over smell dry, right? Then now you go put it inside water, running tap water. You go put it inside water, make it soak maybe for about 15 minutes. Then you move them, you wash them. So now my Eru that. For the Eru, I want to share one of my recipe where to get them for the Eru. So they use Waterleaf. Who not get Waterleaf for years? Some days they go see Waterleaf, some days they go see Waterleaf. So we use spinach. Now spinach this, all the user. So I like for put mushroom for my Eru. We used to cook and tawe. I remember tawe they go. I bring my back for put mushroom for Eru. And mushroom used to be in a season and not been until we will get 24/7. So for America, yeah, mushroom there all the time. Oh. So I like for put them for my Eru. So now just one of my method where they cook Eru. This is what I share out to that. So today. So for year for the pot. We already get one small protein. I want to make my Eru be make up a lot this time around. I want to make my Eru be make up this time around and mostly with fish. So now our protein this we get Kanda and some small protein. I not put some plenty meat, beef meat. So we get stockfish way. I don't add an stockfish. Stockfish so it smell bad. It smell bad. And sometimes them I need want to make for my Eru, but sometimes they be at the one get that stockfish taste to Eru. So today I want to get that stockfish taste to Eru. So now I put them so because the Eru will be made up of a lot of fish. So now we will come now for this side now. We'll get Kuta. Now small Kuta this. We'll get what strong Kanda this. I don't really fix all thing. Then for this I will get smoked mackerel. I like to put smoked mackerel for my Eru, some kinds of Eru there. So now smoked mackerel is not fresh but smoked. Really nice when you put them for Eru. So now this will go add them. Do want to learn at our university. So if we add smoked mackerel for Eru and it tastes bad. So since my Eru today I want to make it get a lot of fish instead for my protein rather than the beef meat. So now a lot of fish this will get that. But with the add snails, so no don't try with our nyamangoro be this. See nyamangoro as a fresh America here. See nyamangoro buy am. Only big when nyamangoro big no. I get for cut them two because one the big city I not be for put a one I get for cut like the one size a bigger cut and a cut. See nyamangoro. So now with my protein. The one that already ready now, the can put nyamangoro for them because I need that taste on nyamangoro. So I don't start cook. Even that I get for display all ingredients for show now, but we don't start cook at the same time. I know I made one bun. So I put my nyamangoro now for this Kanda and that stockfish now. Allow it make it cook. So nyamangoro no go overcook. Stay. So I'll just add some more water so make my stock not dry. So this now fast recipe what I try for show now. So I add some more water again. So I want me my nyamangoro done, you know. So just one stir around. Make the nyamangoro done. So since stockfish used to over strong, so I think that way the cook and because one me the stockfish really cook. I think that way they see cook with the Kanda. Then sometimes the two Kanda is strong. Okay, okay. So we'll cover it, make it cook. Okay, so now we'll continue for sure now our recipe. Then we'll get our crayfish here. Wait to be able with that crayfish. My crayfish, I don't really pound my crayfish with my fresh pepper. The pepper they hot like crazy, so I put no only 2 high pepper. But hot way the hot, it like the pepper way like 50 pepper. We put on Eru. I don't know what side the mommy where the African woman get the pepper. It hot past even the one that know for Cameroon. I say only 2. That 2 step because go cry. Best we go chop the Eru. My small brother go cry. You in Africa go cry. Then now we get our palm oil we go use and see oil. It says red. Then now we get our salt and Maggi. If you get Maggi crevette, it's also good to put them for your Eru. It will give a good taste. But Maggi crevette, I don't get them for us. So I just use the one where I get them bouillon with small salt. So Now the ingredients are that when I don't see the ingredients now. The only thing will be special for dinner say we don't add smoked mackerel, we don't add mushroom, and we don't add ngwo, which is nyamangoro. So now all that make we turn more wait me the one done, then we go start turn the arrow step. Okay, make we check what arrow now. Don't already see. We don't want to forget too much water for the arrow now. Don't see. Then now we go add our spinach. Some people they used to say the quantity for spinach we they go put on, or the quantity for water leaf, or the ratio to water leaf and arrow. They need to know. Because they'll get that perfect anyway. It not go too over water. It not go over too strong. It will just come out fine. Don't we buy any they will like strong arrow. So you want to make it just do the way all man go chop and right. In between the strong and in between the soft. You know what I mean over too soft. So your ratio for water leaf and arrow almost get to be the same. When you get that perfect ratio, that means it's correct. I still don't see my little secret since I cook dry arrow. As I put water leaf right or my spinach, I need to go ahead and put some small quantity for oil. I don't see that quantity for oil now. I'm not put that quantity for oil, so I just stir my spinach a little bit. Then I put my water leaf or my spinach with my arrow at the same time, because you know want me your spinach done or your water leaf done or before you can put arrow too. I need to make it cook your arrow for long and your arrow go black. Even though not dry arrow, forget that secret way go even come more better. It go sound for how you do it like this. So by the time your water leaf the white done, your arrow to the done. So you're not going to cook it for long again. I scatter my arrow so that when I want to turn it, it's not going to overheat me again for turn on the lumps. And now when you wash arrow, you squeeze down. You need the squeeze down more. Not like you need to knock. Who buy and say knock? You just want to press and make it dry. You don't have to go make let's say the wash now bitter leaf. So we'll just go ahead. We need to cover arrow for the time. We need to cover her more. So just go ahead. You just stir the arrow. The heat. Oh, you don't mash and so you turn it like this. It's just how I stir my arrow on the side. I start for the side. Then I push them from inside for middle. I start for the side. Then I push them from middle. Now they say okay. Now don't see them. But they say arrow die, you know. When the arrow don't mix so with the water leaf. We say when the arrow don't die. And how nyok. You see as I be turn and I put my now see as I turn and a corner pot then. When you turn and so you bring her from middle. Now you just flip them. Then you shake now the middle like they go again like this. You flip them. You do it like that for all the side them. So they turn arrow. Okay, so at this stage, right, just to say my water leaf and my arrow don't they mix, even though you know what mix, right? Now so you go to make and so you go cook. So this time we'll add crayfish, like we say na crayfish now. I secret for arrow. If you use only crayfish you cook arrow was so nice. So at this stage now, I put crayfish and pepper because the crayfish already blend. But I go leave some crayfish and some pepper to put them for the last. You can like forget that scent for crayfish and scent for pepper. So that one we put them for last. So now one cook. Stir this one with the arrow. So we just go ahead. Flip them just as I do and so now they see now. So I see now. See arrow. See dry arrow, but you see green. You see green. And the secret that two secret you mix water leaf, they put small oil. At the same time you put arrow. You start turning them at the same time. Then you need to cover the pot. So now you need to do one of the style. You do all oil and small inside your water leaf. You put the arrow at the same time. The water leaf as they cook. Then you turn the thing. Aye, that's not crayfish. I don't put on that arrow. With that pepper. The thing already answer. It is so fresh. Now I don't make her now. Now wait till I go add them. I get them all them are plenty fish them. I just go ahead now add the fish them. I add them, even though that my mackerel, I said I don't add fish now. I stir them. See, ooh, just like that. Okay. Now this is my Eru dry now. No water. Now this is dry now. As you dry so, one go ahead and make a space from middle. Then you add, you know, see, I make a space from middle like this as I make her. Now don't see that space. See as it dry. No water no did it. Now you taste your Eru for see whether your salt, your Maggi correct. If you're not correct, you go add salt and Maggi now. It tastes so good. One where we put all in them low. So now we'll go ahead to add my oil for middle. My oil not correct, I don't measure and correct. I hope you know say so that my Eru plenty. So go ahead to add some oil. Yeah, the oil correct now. Now see what I don't do now. Then I can take now small pinch of salt down middle because my seasoning already correct. Then add small Maggi. That one now go make it taste correct. The thing when I see me, I put salt and Maggi the time because how I boil my meat. I already put my seasoning there. Yeah, this is now we go add our mushroom. Mushroom get water, so the water will go come out for the mushroom. Go make the Eru now go soft correct with the oil. So I put mushroom the kind of time because my Eru is almost done. So by the time the mushroom are done, the Eru is already. Now see, pot of flap. It's in a drink. The time now for we for put the remaining crayfish. If you want add more, you add more crayfish. They do one correct. So now for this time, some people they cover the Eru though. Some they will say not cover them. They cover and make the oil boil. They are not going to cover them. But if you cover them, this stage now, nobody say you go say because you don't cover them now, you don't make your Eru black. Time for Eru for black, we don't pack. It will boil. Okay. Now, after a couple of minutes, we want to check our Eru. We start for corner. We take and go inside. But we have a pot of flop so. Small Eru we cook. Don't turn plenty again now. And I see as I stir now. Because I may not throw it. I may not burn. So we start and for the sides. Then I push and go inside. That Eru plenty. I say small Eru. Ooh, now see this is on the tray for my gas stand. You just go ahead to stir. When you stir them, you taste everything. If your pepper correct, okay. If not correct, if your crayfish correct, if not correct, you add that. But everything go correct. If you want more oil, you add that. If you want so correct, we just see mix them now. No have any mixer. Eru fresh. I see Eru. I see that mushroom in there. Wow. Where? Now see Kanda. Where? Like I talk. In my pikin, they not too like pepper. But I like pepper smell for Eru. Me smell. Never give it. If I put that one, they will cry. I just throw some at the top. That's the Eru. So all I wanna say, not doing my recipe for Eru. I don't go again. No. My Eru not superb, but order me I know. No, I say na order me I know. One chopper. Na self na go confirm to no master. And I go confirm I start cook Eru today. See Eru. Eru is ready. We don't really make what fufu so I just serve for Eru. We'll chop. Very. Oh, very. See fish. Stockfish. Strong Kanda. Wait, Ngo, come here. Yeah. That mushroom then. Yeah. Hey. Where's that Kanda there? See, I see Kanda around. Hey. See, I see around. See what we're doing. Come off for corner. One go. My. And I give Sarah the one. Don't introduce it for African food. You go chop the African tail so you go sweet them up well. Yeah. Sevonia. Mpumara. Ja. See ya.